Ever wondered if your solitary Payoneer account can power multiple Fiverr ventures? Today, we're diving deep into a common question for freelancers: can you link a single Payoneer account to more than one Fiverr profile? This is crucial for managing your earnings efficiently and staying compliant with platform policies. First, let's address the core of the matter in general. Payoneer's terms of service and Fiverr's own regulations typically advise against linking the same Payoneer account to multiple distinct Fiverr profiles. This is primarily to prevent potential fraud and ensure clear financial tracking for both platforms. Think of it this way: each Fiverr account is treated as an independent entity for financial transactions. If Payoneer detects the same account being used across multiple individual Fiverr profiles, it might flag this as a policy violation. This could lead to account suspension or even the freezing of funds, which none of us want. So, what's the recommended approach? If you're operating multiple Fiverr accounts, perhaps for different niches or services, it's highly advisable to have separate Payoneer accounts for each. This ensures a clean separation of your financial activities and avoids any potential conflicts with either platform's terms. To set this up, you'll need to register for a new Payoneer account for each new Fiverr profile you intend to use. During the onboarding process for each Fiverr account, you'll then link the respective unique Payoneer account. This creates a clear and compliant financial structure for your freelance business. In summary, while the temptation to consolidate might be strong, linking multiple Fiverr accounts to a single Payoneer account is generally not permitted and carries significant risks for smooth operations and peace of mind. Stick to the rule of one Payoneer account per Fiverr profile. Happy freelancing!